As promised, this is part one of our renovation journey of this 1920s beautiful little country cabin. Well, it was beautiful once, it will be beautiful once again. I love renovating historic homes, but they are also really challenging. This is kind of the part one of what we've done so far in this wild journey. There was a lot of taxidermy animals that came with this house, and I'm going to show you what the house looked like before we started tearing it all down. So as you can see here, we've started cleaning up, we've started tearing down walls, and this is just an example of beautiful natural elements on this property. It's on a really beautiful lot, but it's very run down and needs a lot of work. So we enlisted family, friends, but we're at the point really right now where we need more help. And so this is what the place looked like before. It had crazy cots and like 60s furniture, old TVs, carpeting. That was kind of the old built-in shower. So it was basically 2 bed, 1 bath area. That wallpaper was wild. I just could not get over that. And then it did have this really beautiful little kitchen. We have kept that sink to refinish. We're hoping to reutilize a lot of the wood paneling, and then there's a lot of taxidermy stuff. So a lot of pieces that we do want to keep and fix up. This is kind of the back porch looking out onto one of the little pond areas. So a great frame and a beautiful base for potential. However, there was a lot of work that we did initially with the property when we purchased it to kind of uncover some of the old electrical systems that definitely weren't working, make the space bigger. Long term, we'd really like to basically have it be a huge open floor plan and then raise the roof slightly, have a little, maybe a little loft bunk up there. We did find this when we ripped out the carpet, and at first I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? But it was just a note from the last renter, or the last homeowner, saying when they had last painted the floor in 1987 and then again in 1994. We found this amazing video, The First Wives Club, which is an all-time favorite movie of mine, so I feel like this house was meant to be. But basically we started cleaning it up. We uncovered the floors underneath. Then we had a friend help us basically fix the foundation, get the original wood floors back to where they are looking cohesive so that we can sand them down and have the original flooring. But this, we really want to be a place where our family can enjoy being in the outdoors, hunting, fishing, and enjoying nature. So with your support, likes, commenting, and subscribing to our channel, we hope to use the benefit of YouTube ads in order to continue to fund our renovations for these bigger long-term projects. So keep following along. We can't wait to show you where we go with these projects. And thanks for being here.